Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this LED high bay light from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made by Sinnleton and it can be hung up just about anywhere in your garage, above your workshop table, and in my case, in my storage area in my attic. So let's open it up, look at its feature, and we'll get it connected and see how bright it is. Okay, it comes with the user manual. Okay, let's look closer at this LED high bay light. It has many LED lights, so it should stand for a bright light. It's 160 watt, and it is capable of motion detection and can be dimmable from 0 to 100%. So you have plenty of venting hose all the way around the light. It's literally a plug and play top light. So this is a 6-foot cable that it comes with. So if you can plug this in within a 6-foot area and suspended from your ceiling, then this should reach your AC outlet. This is a safety cable. Here's your safety eye hook that will be screwed in here. And then you have this Phillips head set screw to keep this from vibrating loose. And you'll want to tighten this up. So this safety hook is screwed in, so it's not going to really make its way out, but just an added safety feature. You have this set screw to keep that from becoming loose at all. Very heavy duty metal with the black finish. And once this is hung up, and in my case, I'm going to use a chain, and I'll hook this up and affix it to one of my rafters. And this safety hook can be mounted in a secondary location, perhaps like around your rafter or something. In the event this does fail, then you have a secondary catch here. So this is just a safety cable that can be used if needed. So in addition to it coming with an AC plug for plug and play, it comes with a separate wire that you can power motion sensors or a dimmer separately. The manufacturer also offers a quality warranty for 5 years. So let's get it connected up. So you can see how I got it connected to my rafter with a chain, safety hook, and then the safety chain as well. So this is the light suspended from my attic storage area space, and as you can see, it's very bright. It's 100% illumination, daylight, LEDs. The only light source in here is a window dormer, letting just a natural daylight come in. So this is the difference in what it looks like before and after with 2 light bulbs I have in my attic. As you can see, they're very dim compared to the 1 LED high bay light. So we'll look at it tonight with all the lights off and when it's dark outside and see the difference. Okay, here's the light turned on at night, complete darkness. There's no light shining in through my dormer window. As you can see, this one single LED high bay light lights up my attic storage space very well. So I highly recommend this LED high bay light.